All right, so Nikki, here's where you can help with this problem
I hope so.
and relieve some people of their long-standing problems with pecan pie.
Because now it's sorghum pecan pie. How's that?
Sorghum pecan pie.
That's
try
right.
that. This is Kentucky sorghum, by the way.
That's
by
right.
golly.
Somebody sent us, so it's wonderful. I had to try it to use it. And you can buy a pie shell. I wanted to use my own. If you notice, this is a bigger pan, deeper, and being I don't have as much, I've made my little pie in this just because I like this dish. Is that okay?
It's a
I
pretty
want to use
dish.
my dish. That's right. And I want to use the immersion blender also today.
Gotcha.
I'm going to use 3 eggs. I'm putting everything in because they work so well in this. Put everything right in here.
Oh, poor little chicken. You stole those eggs out
I
there.
know. She's good with it. Because I usually give her lettuce or something good.
I'm going to start giving her some cicadas.
That's a good idea. So I have 3 eggs.
Good start.
Yep. I have a 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Just going to add that in there. Now this, I think, is what may help thicken it up a little bit. Maybe because it's sorghum. I have a tablespoon of cornstarch.
Help keep everything binded up there.
Maybe thicken it up a little. Make it thicker.
Because a lot of people have trouble with their pies going gooey.
Yeah. And I have 3/4 cup of my sorghum.
So that's basically it, along with your nuts.
That's right. And we're going to mix that up with the blender, and I'm going to chop the nuts up. And instead of mixing it in with the actual mixture here, I'm going to just pour them on the top.
You know, I noticed this the other day when I was eating about 12 pieces of this pie.
You ate it all, that's right.
That the nuts were cut up much finer than, the big pieces of pecans.
Did you like that?
Was that intentional?
Yes, and I put them all on the top. Just something
I
different.
liked it. I liked it.
All right. I'll mix it up.
Now, one more thing. How much butter is that?
That is 4 tablespoons of butter. Thank
4
you for
tablespoons.
remembering that. We're going to add that to it.
All right.
And I think the cornstarch is going to help it because this doesn't even cook. You know, a normal pecan pie usually takes about an hour. You got to let it sit. This takes 35 to 40 minutes, and 15 minutes after, I'm hoping it'll be perfect.
This immersion blender is going to get its workout tonight.
I like that.
So, I'm confused. So that goes in before the nuts even.
And see how it doesn't even look that thick?
Yeah.
I think the cornstarch is what makes it so good. So we're going to just pour this in. I have a cup of pecans, and I'm going to chop those up.
Nine times.
That's right. And I'm just going to sprinkle this on the top. So they're going to kind of stay more on the top.
So, it's almost got the consistency of a derby pie. I noticed
you're right.
that under part with the cornstarch in it.
And this, I have the oven at 350.
Now, you could, too, if you wanted to. You could take and leave your pecans whole or bigger on the
Kind of
top.
like this, though.
But I do like this.
And we're going to watch this 35 to 40 minutes. We're going to pull it out, let it sit for 15, and we're going to
What temperature?
350.
350?
And I really believe it's the cornstarch that's going to make this thicken up.
Let me open it for you.
Yes, thank you. And look how it turned out. I know, see how that's only 35, 40 minutes.
This is the,
You can't
I don't
go
want
wrong.
to say fail safe. Now, again, this is with sorghum, just because. Winner.
Yes.
Ding, ding, ding,
Delicious.
ding, ding, ding.
I don't know what to eat first.